Hey Kickstarter, thanks so much for watching our video. We just wanted to introduce ourselves here real quick. I'm Andrew.
I'm Nick.
And we're the co-founders of Dash Robotics, makers of Kamigami robots. Nick and I met while studying towards our PhD at UC Berkeley, studying bio-inspired robots just like this one.
We designed Kamigami to be fun to build with your hands, fun to play with, and also teach people a thing or two about programming along the way. We think that this can inspire a generation of people to care about robotics and STEM education. So if you believe in this mission, or you just want a fun, awesome robot to play with, back us on Kickstarter, join us on our journey, and help us out.
Thanks so much.
I'm Ryan Boley, inventor of the Boley Lock, and what you just witnessed is how fast somebody can break into your home, leaving no trace that it ever happened.
Okay, I'm Brent. I just took possession of my new home 3 weeks ago. What we did is we bought a set of bump keys. These keys will work on basically any door. This is the key that came with the house. This is a bump key. A bump key, all you have to do is put it in the lock, pull it out one, put a little pre-tension on it, hit it with a hammer, and we're in.
Hey there, I'm Tyler Boley, co-founder of the Boley Lock Company. Thanks for tuning in. A lock is an ancient concept, and it's generally defined as a device which secures an object or structure and which requires a specific key to unlock that device. Well, by that definition, very few of us have a lock on our home today. The fact is, whether you know it or not, criminals can go online, watch an instructional video, and get the tools they need to enter your home quickly, quietly, and without any evidence they were ever there. It's fast becoming the #1 method of entry throughout North America, and criminals do not need your key to enter your home. The Boley Lock Company has solved this problem. We've been able to combine the best of ancient technology with modern pin tumbler technology, and we've created the lock of the future. We've been able to design and patent a shielded pin tumbler lock. Our fork-shaped key is able to rotate behind the internal shielding where it interacts with the tumbler pins. This shield ensures that picking devices are unable to manipulate our pins, making the Boley lock one of the most tamper-resistant locks on the market today. We are very excited. We've consulted a number of security experts, and the feedback we are given consistently is that this lock is going to change the standard lock market forever. Finally, there will be a high security lock at an affordable price, something the lock industry hasn't currently been able to do. We really need your help though in bringing the Boley lock to market. We've set our targets high because our locks are manufactured here in North America of the highest quality material, and in order for us to offer them to you at an affordable price, we have to achieve certain quantities. Our lock will restore your sense of security. You will know that that criminal walking down the street with a set of bump keys or picks is not getting into your home. Nobody beats a Boley lock.
Alright guys, well here it is, the Boley Lock. Now it's composed of 3 main components: the lock cylinder, the rotating idler, and the lock housing, all of which are precision machined out of solid, high-quality materials. The coolest part, though, is probably the lock cylinder, because it has the shielded keyhole. What are we talking about? Well, this little C-shaped extrusion that comes off the front face of the lock is the shield. Now, the pins live above that shield, and it basically just blocks any picking tools from being able to reach and manipulate those pins in any way. Now, the key, on the other hand, has a slot cut in it, so it can enter the keyhole and rotate freely around that shield. Now when the key's at the top of the lock, that's where all the magic happens. The lock can interact with the pins, it can couple with the lock cylinder, and ultimately that's where you operate your deadbolt from. So we're going to show you how to use it. When you come home, you put your key in the lock with the fork side down, and now you want to rotate around that shield until you're at the top. When you're at the top, you give it a little push in. Once in, it operates just the same as a standard deadbolt, no different than anything you're used to. Until you want to remove your key, you have to go back to the top, give it a little pull back toward you, and now it's free and you can remove your key. The little extra step in the process is where all the security comes from, but after you've owned the lock for just a few minutes, it becomes second nature, and it's well worth it. I think you guys will really enjoy the Boley lock on your home. We certainly need your support. Thank you very much for watching our Kickstarter.
아바타 스콜피언 건십 테스트 플라잉이 되겠습니다.
Introducing Alpha 2, the newest member of your family.
Okay, Joyce, let's move to the next pose.
Okay.
With 20 joints replicating human motion, he's as flexible as a yogi.
Good job, Joyce.
Alpha 2 is smarter than your smartphone.
Rise and shine.
And he makes a great tutor.
Alpha, what's the word for orange juice in Spanish?
Jugo de naranja.
Jugo de naranja.
Sí, muy bien.
You're cute.
No, you're cuter.
Alpha 2 is like an in-home nurse or a veterinarian.
Hey, boy.
Alan, Oliver is due for his flea medication.
Thanks, Alpha.
Alpha 2 is the perfect office assistant.
Voicemail 3.
Joyce, it's Cindy Patterson again. I just got the cake and it only has 5 tiers instead of 7.
Alpha, call All City Cakes and print out a copy of that contract.
Okay, Joyce. Printing.
He's a weatherman.
Bye, Alpha.
Goodbye, Kate. If you're going out, there's a 75% chance of rain.
Thanks, Alpha.
And a handyman.
All right, I got the flange off. What's next, Alpha?
Step 4. Use a small screwdriver to attach the adapter flange.
Thanks, Alpha.
Alpha, let's dance.
Okay.
Alpha 2 is the humanoid robot that makes a fun friend for the whole family.
Oh, hey.
Alpha, take a picture and post to Facebook.
And with an expandable platform, his skills keep growing.
Alpha, download the Storyteller app.
Downloading Storyteller app.
Alpha, what's a star?
A star is a sphere of plasma held together by its own gravity, appearing as a fixed luminous point in the sky. Would you like to hear a bedtime story?
Yeah.
Good night, room. Good night, stars. Good night to moms and dads. Good night, light. And good night, locks. Good night, David.
Alpha 2. Make him a member of your family today.
In a world filled with technology, we have all been looking for something more. The robots we have dreamed of since we were kids. The ones who could be our friends, members of our family. At UB Tech, it's our mission to make these dreams come true. We have a proven track record of bringing innovative technology to market, and Alpha 2 is our latest and best innovation. Please support us today and help make Alpha 2 a reality, because together we can dream of robots. Hello, Alpha.
Hello.